Gastronomia. Gastronomia? I don't know, it sounds a bit too much like gastro to me. Anyway, I'm sure it's a nice place. Don't ask me where I am. Well, I know exactly where I am. We're underground. Heading back to the chocolate. Can't get anywhere here. Look. Yeah. Trace saw chocolate, so we've had to stop. So Shane's taking us to another busy place.
I'd probably prefer you to help me try and find how to get here.
You want me to help you?
Well, I've got no idea. So...
You're always cool on the professional navigator when it's time to find your way around. And that's me.
I've got no idea where we're going, right? So,
what an idiot. We go down the escalator. Got this. Did he say pizza? I'm not the guy for navigation. Where are we, Shane?
Somewhere.
That 10-minute MRT ride from Boogus Station on the Purple Line? Is that what we need? Purple Line back to Vivo City? Find out soon. It's almost like a mosaic. Great big tiles, eh? Huge. It is a mosaic, but it's a new digital one, which they did in, I don't know, 50 pieces, not 6 million.
Please move to the center of the car and hold onto the handrail. Thank you.
Cool. Let's play Frogger. Catching the MRT to Orchard Avenue today. See if we can go do some expensive shopping. Hopefully just window shopping. From Vivo City to Orchard Road, $1.50 on the MRT. It's pretty cheap. So we're going to go to Orchard Road and have a look, but we are on the cheeseburger hunt, of all things. We're going to find Macca's and see if we can get ourselves a cheeseburger. Hopefully they're cheeseburgers. Well, actually you already know. Their cheeseburgers here are better than cheeseburgers in Australia, hilariously. Anyway, let's see if we can find the cheeseburger. So for $1.50, we catch the MRT and we get the entire place virtually to ourselves. I don't know how they managed to pay for this, considering there's nobody here. So we've popped out to a wall of heat already. McDonald's. Go sit down and have a McCheeseburger.
Right there.
McDonald's. It's got to be here somewhere. So they put their tissues on the table. It means it's occupied, so you don't sit there. And everyone respects it. It's really good. Oh, made it to Macca's and got our cheeseburger. That was excellent. McDonald's, Singapore. The food was hot, fresh, cheap, tasted good. Australia's got a lot to learn, especially good old Macca's in Aussie land. It's definitely not cheap in Australia for McDonald's. It's never hot. And I can't remember the last time I had a meal from Macca's that was any good. It was well done, Singapore. Alright, we're on Orchard Road. Working our way along, hopefully to the good areas of Orchard Road. But you never know. Well, the other thing that was good was McDonald's had air conditioning, so it made it nice and cool. Now we're back outside and whew, it's warm again. Not very busy. Dessert? Welcome. Hey, how are you? That must be me.
I've been there, mate. It's off that way.
What? House of Hung. Oh, look at that one. Somebody cut the corners out of the building. Look, corners are missing. The good thing is that, you know, Starbucks, we've just, you know, McDonald's was near Starbucks. So 200 metres later, you've got another Starbucks, just in case you needed another fix. Yeah, Shake Shack. Kind of got the wording wrong, isn't it? Hey? IMAX Cinema. It's a big building, isn't it? M&S. Yeah. Yeah, well they do say come here at night time. I'm not sure it's much cooler at night time. But there you go, you can't go straight across at the lights. You've got to go under the road and back up again on the other side. At least it'll be cool down there, hopefully.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't blame me. Can't blame me for that one. So is this the station we actually came to? No, it's the first one.
This is the first one?
Yeah.
This is where we stopped.
So this is Orchard, but we came out to Orchard Road, or Orchard Boulevard. All right.
That's what we originally wanted to come out.
Yeah, so if you're catching the MRT, you go to Orchard, not Orchard Boulevard. Yeah, but you would miss out on Macca's, so that's okay. It's a TV screen on the roof. It wasn't really the sky and trees. Alright, we are here again. Pop back up on the other side. 2 seconds ago we were across there on the other side of the road. Now we're here. Pretty impressive. Oh, ice cream man ahead. He sells ice cream in bread. I wouldn't eat it. Not the bread bit, I'd eat the ice cream. But their bread's sweet, so maybe it does taste good. Would you like an ice cream in bread, Michelle? You should try it. Be well cultured if I had ice cream in bread. They've got these in a waffle. Kind of looks good. It's only $1.50. I might get one. It's not ice cream. Oh, mango.
A bingo?
Mango, please.
Rainbow or waffle?
Ooh, waffle? Yeah. Oop. No worries. Thank you.
Banana color. Yeah.
Oop. Thank you very much.
Bread?
It's waffle.
That's waffle. You
Yep.
cheated.
Yeah. Did you
Get
hog
the
this?
one that's in a slice of bread.
Thank you. Change mine. Decide I would.
Where did they go?
Mango flavour. In waffles. It's only $1.50. Wow, sucked in. That's really good. Yeah, I love it when I get something and no one else wants to try it and it's good. It's like really, really good. This dude's got matching haircut. Found a mosaic in the MRT station. There you go. It's from the Singapore 2010 Youth Olympics. Right. I would say that all the kids got to make their own little tile and they've put it up on the wall. Very good. Wall of spirits.